Say hi, darling.
Say hi, baby girl.
It's my first video.
Slipping around a little bit.
I'm going to tell everybody I am 6 hours old. Just under 6 hours. And I hear my daddy's voice, and I'm looking around.
I did most of the work for Mama.
Yeah.
She didn't have to do anything.
Yeah. You heard Mama's voice, huh? Say hello. It's beautiful.
She looks just as tired as I am.
She's falling asleep, but she's eating.
That's a good thing, though.
Baby doll. Hi, beautiful. See, I'm hungry.
I'm very hungry. She hasn't eaten in like 5 hours. She looks so tiny compared to your hands.
I know. She's so hungry.
I can hear her gulping. It's so cute.
Let me know when you're done, baby. Say, Daddy, if I'm like you, I'll never be done eating.
Gotta pry it away from my hands.
Daddy's a champ at eating. You falling asleep? Don't fall asleep, hey.
Her eyes are glazing over.
I know. Wake up. Wake up, chicken butt. I'll call you chicken. And the chicken legs. See how small her legs were.
That's funny.
She's gonna be a runner.
Did she breach at one point? I'm like, no. I don't believe so. She just liked to kick. She got very excited. Every noise she ever heard just made her excited, and she wanted to kick some more.
Little face.
Say hi, everybody.
No, you're still going.
Wow, is that like half a bottle?
I think she'll kill the bottle.
She's not supposed to.
I don't think we should take it away from her, huh?